The best relationship or the most successful relationship is love triangle na tatlong tao, the husband, the wife, and the Lord. So please always include God in your relationship so that your relationship as husband and wife will become successful in the future.
Hindi nasusukat ang haba ng pinagsamahan para sabihin kayo na ang forever. Dati sabi ko, di ba? Girlfriend lang kita. Ngayon, ito tayo. Sa harap ng Diyos, pagsusumpaan at hindi maghihiwalay. Kahit ano mangyari, ikaw ay hindi ko pababayaan. At sa hirap at ginhawa, ikaw ang aking sasamahan.
Hi baby, happy 4th anniversary. I'm super blessed na nakilala kita. For the past few years that we've been together, I've learned that life is more fulfilling and full of joy. We may not have the perfect relationship, but today I realize that we have forever to figure things out. Sabi, thanks.
Kahit anong mangyari, ikaw, ako, hindi magkakahiwalay. Hindi kita hayaang maging malungkot, sasamahan kita sa kasiyahan. At hindi ako titigil na pasayahin ka.
You opened the door, the light came rushing in. I suddenly saw a brand new beginning, a beautiful hope, a reason to believe it's what you give to me. Ready to go with all the lies before us, and all that we know will guide us through the night. A beautiful hope, a reason to believe is what you give to me. Oh yeah. All I know when I'm with you, this life is better. Everything as it should be. When we're together, you and me will see it through. Oh, I know it's true. This life is
Ayun pala. Kaya pala marami. Saya. Kasi, for adventure namin. So, we start to build our memory.
Whatever life may bring us, I just want to be with you. Baby, I love you.
all I know when I'm with you. This life is better. Everything as it should be.
Maria Bonife, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Albert na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.